Okay, now that doesn't look so good. Let's check out the back. Oh wait, why is this one off? That's weird. I know I didn't turn it off. Oh, looks like I just got a dead bulb on that side. But anyways, in one of my previous videos, I wrapped both the front and rear side markers. But now with the lights on, these lights here are shining pretty bright through the wrap. So let's address this issue and turn these guys off. There it goes, much better now that these are disabled. Now let me show you guys how I turn them off. So here are the tools that I use to turn off those side markers. I have a VCDS cable here and a laptop with the VCDS software. Now let's get this started. All right, VCDS plugged into the OBD2 port and into the laptop. Program is opened, car is turned on. Now let's get these guys turned off. So we will be turning off the fronts first, and this is how I did it. So VCDS open, go to select, control module, let that load up. Go to number 9, central electric or electronics, whatever that stands for. Let it load up. Go to coding. Before you go into long coding helper, you need to save your current original coding here. What I usually do is I just go and do a little snippet here. This coding is actually long, so I had to do 2 snippets and then extend it over here and snip this end too. But yeah, go ahead and make sure you either snapshot the current coding or write it all down correctly. Just in case if you messed up, you can go back to the original code and you will not mess anything up in the system. But let's go ahead and get these guys turned off. So like I said, we're just going to do the front first. Go to long coding helper. This will pop up. Right here is already highlighted. Go to number 10 and then uncheck this bit 3 box right here. Close this out. Go to do it, coding accepted, hit OK, let it load up, close controller, go back and exit. Now let's go and double check to see if these guys were, or the front one were turned off. Turn this on real quick and there it is, guys. Front side markers turned off. Let's double check this side. Yep, also off. Now let's go ahead and turn off the rears because that specific coding only turned off the fronts. So we go back to VCDS, go to select, control module, let that load up. Go down here now to a different controller, 46 central convenience right here. And then we gotta unlock this controller by going to, let this load up real quick. Okay, go down here where it says security access, click that, type in 16017, hit do it. It'll say security access accepted, hit OK. Now we go to adaption right here. This is going to load up. So you want to go to channel, you see right up here, 209, hit enter. You see these values right here. You just want to hit this down button on this here that says new value. Oh, sorry. First, you want to save this specific value. So you can screenshot like I do screenshot, or you just write it down. Just in case you mess something up, you can always go to the original value. But I usually just always screenshot this image here so that I can see the actual value in the actual location. So I've already screenshot it. You can go ahead and save it your way. So now in this new value column here, you just hit this down button there. That'll change to 0. Then you can go and hit save. It says, are you sure? Yes. Then that will turn off, I believe, the left side. Now we want to turn off the right side by just going to the channel right here, hitting that up button, it'll go to 210. Same thing, take a snapshot or write down this value just in case. And for this value, you just can hit down again. So then it will adjust to 32. Hit save. And says, are you sure? Hit yes. That should be it. Now we'll just hit done and go back. Close controller. Go back. Exit. Now let's double check to see if those rear side markers are off. Okay, so let's turn the lights on to double check that those rear side markers are off. And you see here, it is off on that side, and this side is also off. In my opinion, the car looks so much better without those lights and the colored side markers. So here in the States, it's required by law to have those side markers on the car, but overseas in, like, you know, Germany and Europe and stuff, they actually don't even have side markers like these in their bumpers. So that is how I went about turning off the front and rear side marker lights on a 2016 Audi A7. If you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Also, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this for the upcoming future. And lastly, comment any feedback down below to help my channel grow, and like this video if you guys like the car now without the side marker lights on. Thanks guys. I will see you guys in the next video.